Hey guys, welcome back to Phone Tricks. In this video, we'll learn how to turn off auto rotation in OPPO K10 5G smartphone. Before we start the video, request to subscribe our channel for more interesting phone videos. First of all, open the settings, then click on display and brightness, then swipe up. Now you can see the option called auto rotate. You need to turn off. So after you turn off, you can open any application. So I will open the YouTube. Now you can see when I turn, the auto rotation is not working now. If you want to turn on again, you need to swipe down the quick panel. Then you can see the option auto rotate. You can enable easily. Now you can see auto rotation is working now. So that's all guys. I hope this video is very useful to you. If you like this video, hit thumbs up. See you next video. Bye bye.